Hey everybody, Heather from Pickin here. I have a very special video for you guys today. We're going to look at some of the new things that we just put online. First off, there is a category that I need to tell you guys about. We are going to be talking about our book category. If you've been watching the entertainment palette unboxing, you have been noticing we have tons and tons of Funko Pops and toys, but most importantly, we have tons of brand new books. And we want to offer those books at 50% the price that you would normally pay for those books. And so here is an awesome deal. Not only are they already marked 50% off, but we're going to give you a 20% off promo code. You got to watch this video to see it coming up, but we're also going to show you what exactly you can get with this video. So let's go ahead and check out from hookedonpickin.com. All right, so we are on the hookedonpickin.com page, and we're going to jump straight over to the books category. So you just do the drop-down menu, go straight to books. Of course, my very first one I have here is the Poshmark Store book, and of course, I want you to get something from the Poshmark Store book. That's an ebook. If you're interested in selling on Poshmark at all, I definitely highly recommend you being able to get this book because it definitely teaches you what you need to know. But if you're not interested in reselling and you just want some fun things, then let's check out some of these other books. All right, so we've got the Atlas Obscura, The World's Most Adventurous Kid. This actually goes through a whole bunch of different places that you can visit. Basically, it takes you on a journey to all these different areas. So this is just a glimpse into the beautiful artwork that's inside this book, but it's $9.99 for this awesome book. All of these books are also brand new. Remember Betty White? Super funny, awesome. They made a little golden book about Betty White, and so $2.99 is all we're asking for that. We do have quite a few of those, so make sure you snatch one up. And please wait, we're going to have that promo code available here in just for a little bit. So everything in the book category will be 20% off with this promo code that I'll be giving you. All right, then we have a little golden book about weather, $2.49 there. These are some of the new ones. I'm going to actually jump back to some of our older books here in a little bit, but I wanted to show you some of our brand new ones that we just listed just now. Then we have a Frozen Look and Find, which is super fun because you have to find little random pieces inside. I think I have a picture of the interior. Yeah, see, so you have to find all of these things. So this is not just learning to read, but also checking out and making it a little bit of a puzzle. Then we have the Rhino Corn book. This is actually a rather large book, and it's got some fun, like you change the sequence on the front there. Then these are awesome. I have a ton of these Imagine Ink mess-free markers. All you simply do is color with this. It doesn't color on anything else other than this book, and you get to discover the pictures inside this book with this one marker. I do have some other Magic Ink markers that are available for sale, but I also have about 4 or 5 different kinds of Imagine Ink mess-free marker books. So this one is a troll one, and we're going to come up upon some of the other ones too. This Bunny Corn book is really awesome too. It comes with all of these stickers and activities to do inside, 250 different stickers and activities inside this huge giant book. That Bunny Corn book is actually bigger than a regular piece of paper, so it's a rather large book, and it's hardcover. Then we have Goodnight Baboon, really fun readable book. Then we have the Little Golden Books, the Star Wars Mandalorian. So this is a new category, the book category on hookedonpickin.com, and so we're trying to organize our website much better so you can find what you want. So these are awesome, really nice, awesome things. Then we have our 1,000 ridiculously cute 1,000+ sticker book, Fashion Angels, $3.99, and look at all the different things that you can find inside that. Then we have What Was I Scared Of? Dr. Seuss book. We have quite a few Dr. Seuss books, so make sure you check those out. We have 7 full pages on the book category, so make sure you check them out. We're going to quickly jump back to the last one, so you see some of the ones that we listed quite a while ago. All right, so we've got the I Am a Figure Skater book here. These are the little golden book categories, anything with this gold band. Then What Should Danny Do? It gives him decisions to make, and actually you choose the decisions he makes during the story, so that's kind of fun. Then we have Hazardous Tales, Big Bad Ironclad, so really neat Civil War tale hardcover book. We have the Pennsylvania Wine. This is kind of a historical book, adult book here. We have the Pump Up the Volume Trolls World Tour book, really fun book. It also has stickers as well. Then we have Brindle. This is a hardcover book. So some of them are chapter books. Some of them are kids books. Of course, all of the little golden books are going to be for your early readers and kind of elementary age kids. But then these are kind of some novels and some interesting factual books. Let's go to page 6 here, and we're going to look at some more. We've got, of course, another Imagine Ink one. This one is an Anna and Elsa Frozen book there. Then we have Astrid and Apollo and the Soccer Celebration. We've got these Moonlight, Little Prince, Fox, and Rose. If you've ever had the projector, the storybook projector, these are different stories that you project on the wall, all of the pictures and stuff. So that's a really neat kind of thing. So you use your phone and you just put this little attachment on there, and it comes with everything you need, and you can basically see the story based on projecting it with your phone. So comes with everything you need and the activation code. So that's kind of fun. You don't need any extra projector for those. So we've got a couple of different ones. This one is The Little Prince, The Fox and the Rose. And then this one is We're All Wonders story, Real for Moonlight storybook. Then we've got a Thomas the Train Imagine Ink book. We've got the Disney Princesses Imagine Ink book. We've got Blue's Clues Imagine Ink book. We got Wings of Fire by 2T Sutherland. So I think that one's a really neat, this is the whole box set. And so it's got all 5 of the books in this box set. So these would be kind of young reader chapter books. So that's a cool, neat one about dragons. Then we have Villains with Crayons, all the villains in the Disney movies. Got another Imagine Ink book with My Little Pony. Then we've got the Trolls Step Into Reading. And then this is, if you look in the title, sometimes they put the stickers exactly where I don't want them to be. But if you look in the title, it says what level of reader it is. So Step Into Reading, number 3, early readers. And it also comes with stickers. So usually I have the number in any of these Step Into the Reading books. Little Book of Prayers. I believe this is a board book. It's a Precious Moments. All right, let's go ahead and check out these. So here's actually kind of a textbook. So we have all sorts of various books, mostly kid books in this category, but we do have quite a few. There are a few like fact-based books and textbooks. So here is AP Psychology Practice Test Book. Then we have Cat Kid Comic Club on Purpose book with Thomas. Character Encyclopedia. This is a large book, and it tells you individual things. Like here is a whole section on Thomas. Comes with a little Thomas the Train. And like, see, here's the Harold the Helicopter. So all the characters in Thomas the Tank Engine, it gives you kind of a synopsis on each and every one. So that's kind of a cool book. Then we have, of course, in our book category, you have to have the cookbooks. We also have these in the home and kitchen category as well, but here is a pie book. So during this promo code, you will be able to get 20% off this, even though it's in the home and kitchen category. And in the book category, you'll be able to get it the percentage off today because it's in the book category. So anything that's in this category that you see in the book category will get the 20% off promo code, which I will give you here in just a little bit. You'll have to know what word to type in as you check out. If you don't use the word, you don't get the discount, so make sure you use the word in the promo code checkout. All right, Easy as Pie is one of the cookbooks. Really, really cool cookbook. So it's a very thick one. This one is paperback. We do have some hardback ones too. Then we got, of course, a bookmark. Really fun one. Another Princess Moonlight book that you can use with your cell phone. So that's kind of fun. Then we have You Belong book. This girl is kind of a teeny bopper chapter book. Get Untamed is a neat journal. This is a journal, hardcover journal. This one's another kind of chapter book, One Italian Summer. We've got the Sony digital photography book, tells you how to do all sorts of things with that. Here is a little golden book on a historical character, Martin Luther King Jr., which is really cool. All right, almost ready for that promo code. We're going to jump to it here in just a minute. And so we're jumping to page 4 here of the book category. If my computer will let me, I've got kind of the spinning wheel of death. Well, you know what? While we're waiting, we're just going to say hello. I'm down here in the corner, so go ahead and say hello. So I'm not sure what's going on with my computer, but we're going to go ahead and just give you the promo code now, since we have to wait for the next page We're going to go ahead and just refresh this page. All right, let's go to page. There's number 4. All right, and I'm not teasing you. I really am going to give you the promo code now. So here's our promo code. You have to use the word READ. Promo code READ for 20% off of everything in the book category. Now, how long does that last? Our READ book promo code 20% off is going to be the 8th, which is today, the 9th, and the 10th. 8th, 9th, and 10th. So for the next 3 days, you can use the promo code READ for 20% off. 20% off. All right. So what other books can you get 20% off on? Let's go ahead and look through all of them. All of these are currently in stock right now, and so you can go run over there and check them. So Advice from My 80-Year-Old Self, Real Words of Wisdom from People ages 7 to 88. Now this just looks fun to look into. All right, then we have Whatever is Lovely postcard book. So it's got fun little postcards in there, and it's a whole book of different kinds of postcards. Herding cats. You ever heard that phrase? Herding cats. It's like herding cats. Every time I see someone trying to do like toddler soccer or toddler t-ball or anything like that, I definitely instantly think of herding cats. And so it's a really, really fun book to read. So check that out. Then we have Jean Michael Biscat 40th edition. This is an adult book, good reader, $14.99, and there's a description of what the book is about. Every book has a nice long description, so you can get an idea of do you want this book or not. So check that out. Then we have the whole Hardy Boys collection. So this is the starter set. It does come with a whole bunch of the books, and so you're going to get a good chunk of them. So you're going to get number 1, The Tower Treasure, number 2, The House on the Cliff, number 3, The Secret of the Old Mill, number 4, The Missing Chums, and number 5, Hunting for Hidden Gold. So if you like the Hardy Boys set, or Grandpa used to read the Hardy Boys set, there you go. You can have your own copy, and it's all brand new. All of these are all brand. So here's a number 2 reader, Frog and the Toad. And so this is a really good collection. This is a 4-book reading collection set. So for $7.99, you're going to get all 4 of these books from the Frog and the Toad, and it's all included in this one bundle there. All right, here's some more of our cool home design and cookbooks. So we've got the Flower Cookbook. Doesn't that just look yummy? And then we also have the Coastal Blues Cookbook. This is a decorating ideas cookbook, and so it's got all sorts of fun ideas to decorate for coastal style. So you don't have to live off the beach, but if you want to feel like you do, you can decorate your house like you do. Then we have, of course, Brave Tart is a fun dessert book, and so a whole bunch of different things. And like I said, a synopsis of all the different things that you can make inside the book. So make sure you go to each page, read exactly what's on there, and check out what all the different types of books are. All right, then we've got Pastry Love is another one, and so that also has a bunch of different types of recipes in that kind of cookbook as well. And cookbooks are expensive, so you definitely want to check it out. Then we have another Dr. Seuss book. This is a board book, so great for toddlers, and I think it shows that with the little baby. Yep, board book. And so really fun, clever book. We do have quite a few of these in stock, but they're going to sell out fast with this 20% off read promo discount code. So The Z Flies by Tina Wells. This is a bliss box. This is really cool. So yes, it's in the book category because it is a book, but it's actually more of a health and beauty item. And so check out the health and beauty items that are inside here. So you get some fuzzy socks, you get some stress. Let me see, what does it have? It has a set of 3 daily affirmation mirror clings. So you stick these on your mirror. Anti-stress slime, because who doesn't want to play with slime? 2 sets of friendship bracelets. A set of 2 friendship bracelets, 1 pair of cooling gel eye pads, so you put those on, just calms your eyes down, and 1 pair of cozy socks. So that's all inside this fun book. Bliss book is what we call it. So, all right, just a couple more pages that we're going to look at. Here, of course, is Little Golden Books. Here is the Marvel Shang-Chi. Then we have the Baby Shark book. Oh, these are awesome. 24 Christmas. These are 24 different crafts. Okay, so even though it's not Christmas, you can either save this for your Advent Christmas calendar, or you can just take it and do all the crafts one each day. So a great summertime activity, even though it's just Christmas, but who doesn't love Christmas? Then we have Advent Calendar right here. Be a Triangle is a neat book there. The Fine Print. So like I said, there are descriptions in each one of these categories. This one is called Switch, The Husband's Secret, ABC, What Can She Be? A Flicker in the Dark, The Great Eggscape. Now this one is so cute. When you open up the book, the inside is amazing, and it also comes with over 150 stickers. So they're trying to escape various different things. It's super fun. There's a dinosaur book by the Smithsonian, and then we're on the second page here. We started with the first page, so see that these are some of the last books that I'm going to go ahead and show you. And so we've got Space Mountain. We've got I Love You, Mommy. These are all little golden books. I Love You, Daddy. Then we've got this one is the Christmas Story Time festive collection. So it's got 24 different stories that are Christmas themed. So that's kind of fun in each one of these little envelopes, nicely organized. And then, of course, remember I told you we have some historical ones, A Brief History of Fort Washington, Pennsylvania. And then we've got our bling book. So it's kind of an adult style coloring book. So make sure you check that out. That's super cool. And then Chadwick Boseman, Forever Our King. This one is Remembering Chester County. Stories from Valley Forge to Coatesville by Susanna Brody. Then we've got I Love You books with the little bunnies. Then here's some more of those Imagine Inks. We got Paw Patrol and Mickey Mouse, Dr. Seuss's 'Tis the Season, and then that will bring us right back to page 1 in the book category. So you can click the link in the description below to go ahead and get that promo code link, or just simply type in the promo code right there in the bottom or in the top corner of the screen. You're going to use the promo code READ. So you definitely want to check out all of that stuff. And of course, we love all the books that we are getting, and we're going to continue to post more. So always check the book category. But remember, for the 8th, 9th, and 10th of June, you're going to get that promo code READ and get 20% off of everything in the book category. And of course, remember in the end, Jesus wins.